Okay guys, we got a cedar side-by-side fence, metal post. We're going to use 3.5-inch cedar. This is the fence right here. We're replacing all this. With a gate here. We're going to replace this pool fence too, to match the rest of the fence. We are not touching this part. This part stays. We're leaving this just like it is. And then we're doing this whole back fence back here. Also, they want it stained, and they want this deck re-stained as well. This whole deck right here with the table stained too. And that's it on the back. There is electrical back here in the corner. We're leaving this part of the fence, so we are going to replace this front part right here. We're going to get this done.